Hey, Morgan, don't deal with the devil.
Dude, I deal with him every day.
Wow.
Every night.
A married man.
Every morning.
Dude.
Every time I take a poop.
Morgan.
What?
Is that hard every time you take a poop?
Sometimes it's hard, sometimes it's soft. But I'm so freaking excited for this game.
What are we playing?
We're playing Cupheads, Keenan!
This game
We're playing
is so
Cupheads,
much fun.
Keenan!
Cupheads.
We're not very good at making mouse. Keenan likes to think he is.
Gosh, Morgan, we're playing Cuphead.
Dude, the music, the style, the colors, everything. Okay, here we go. I'm excited.
This game took a long time to make just because...
Yeah, dude, it was announced back in like 2015 and crap.
Yeah, so... Don't say what let's just start a new one, right?
Yeah, that was my wife messing around on it. She was like, I don't like this game, it's too hard. You said an IGN reviewer gave... Oh,
I heard the IGN reviewer said this game was not good.
I'm ready for some rage. It's gonna bring me back to Aegis Wing. Once upon a time in a magical place called Inkwell Isle. Dude, that's a dope island name. Or isle. Isle and island?
I guess.
There were two brothers named Keenan and Morgan, Cuphead and Mugman. They lived without a care under the watchful eye of wise elder Kettle.
One day the two boys wandered far from home and, despite the elder Kettle's many warnings, ended up on the wrong side of the tracks and entered the Devil's Casino.
Frick, you don't want to do that. Inside, Cuphead and Mugman soon found themselves on a winning streak at the craps table. Hot dog! Dog! Exclaimed King Dice, the casino's sleazy manager.
Look at those cool
These fellas can't lose. Huh?
Skeletons look cool. Nice rum, boys, laughed a newcomer. The brothers gasped. It was the casino owner, the devil himself. Now, how about we raise the stakes? He suggested with a toothy grin.
Win one more roll, and all the loot in my casino is yours. The devil bloomed. Boom. Bloomed. He just bloomed.
Devil bloomed like a flower.
But if you lose, I'll have your souls. Deal?
Deal.
All these guys are freaking idiots.
Cuphead, look at his eyes, man. Blinded by easy riches, nodded and grabbed the dice for a throw. Good gosh, Cuphead! No! Cried Mugman, for he understood the danger, but it was too late.
Snake eyes! Laughed the devil. While slamming the floor, you lose. The brothers trembled in fear as he loomed over them. Now, about those souls. He just eats them.
The brothers pleaded for their very lives. There must be another way to repay you, Mugman slammered. Yes, please, mister, Cuphead added. I don't know why it was a southern accent, but...
That was awesome, though. Perhaps there is. The devil snickered, pulling out a parchment. I have a list of my runaway debtors. Collect their souls for me, and just might pardon you two mugs.
Now get going, the devil roared, kicking the boys out most rudely. You have till midnight tomorrow to collect every one of those souls, otherwise I'll be the one collecting yours.
Oh, shoot. Cuphead and Mugman were terribly frightened and ran away as fast as they could. Come on, Mug! Panted Cuckmans. We have to fight! I can't do it! We have to fight the killer's kettle! He don't know what to do!
Wow, that was... Wow.
Sorry.
Oh,
what
dude,
if the devil just has a nerdy voice?
Okay,
I'm gonna eat your
basically...
what? Okay. I don't know. We're gonna have fun with some voices.
Okay, on this part, the kettle just tells you that he's gonna give you magical powers and blah, blah, so we should just skip that.
Okay. Is that our snappy thingies?
Yeah, he gives us the snappy
When we snap, we shoot. King Kesnan has joined. Fantastic.
Woohoo.
What a fine pickle. Oh.
See, look, it's just we tell him, and he's like, oh, cool. Like, that's okay, you guys sold your souls. Here's your magical power.
Wow, you're ruining the story.
Now we can snap.
Oh, wow.
Tutorial time.
Press X to snap?
Yeah, just press X.
Okay. I like the hourglass fella.
Hold down to duck. A to jump, obviously. Y to dash. Wow.
Whoa. RB to lock.
Yeah. It's like you stay in one spot and can look around.
Oh, I like that.
I like the little sound that makes.
What were you doing?
You gotta hit the purple. So press A and then A on it again. And it gives you like an extra jump.
Okay, I gotta get up there. Okay, just go. Do I have to do it too?
Dude, I also...
Oh, I missed it.
Just hit that one.
There
I also
we go.
heard some... Now to save me, you have to hit me like that. Like if I were to die, you do
Whoa!
that. Look.
How do I hit you?
Do this.
Oh, I have to catch that.
Yeah, when the ghost comes, try it. You have to.
Oh, you have to hit A. You have
yes,
to parry
yes.
yes.
There you
Okay,
go.
sounds good.
Yeah, then that's your.
Ooh. We got a coin! Dude, what do you buy with the coin? Do you get powers or anything?
Yeah, you can upgrade your shooting and
Dude,
stuff.
I'm super stoked. Here we go.
I also heard that someone couldn't pass the tutorial. It was like too hard. I think that's just a rumor though.
Frickin' IGN. Bunch of buttheads.
What does that do? International Game News?
Gaming Nation or something?
Gaming Nation?
News? I don't know. Who cares?
Okay, let's go. There we go. Okay, wait, let's get out of here.
So,
Now-
am I the red guy or the blue guy?
You're the red guy.
So I'm Mugman?
You're Cuphead. I'm Mugman.
I'm Cuphead. I'm Cuphead!
I'm Mugman.
You have the stutter. Here we go.
just-
Oh, dude, look at us! This is so dope! It's like an open world.
This is the only game. Just kidding.
Oh, this is kind of lame. Hey!
Oh, she's
Oh,
like,
you
I
don't
used to
want
be
talk
like
to
you
him?
guys.
Oh, we got coins.
So now we can buy stuff from here.
Okay. Pork rinds
So-
Emporium.
I've used this. So I've got this. This shot isn't very powerful, but it's like it locks on.
Uh-huh.
This one's like a shotgun, so it's short range, but there's 3 bullets like that.
Uh-huh.
This one's like a boomerang, which is handy in some cases. This one just gives you extra life, but it makes your attack a little bit weaker. And then this one's like it's a smoke bomb, so when you dashed, you can't get hurt, which is actually pretty
Ooh,
handy.
okay.
So I think I'm gonna get that.
Oh. Can I buy something? Should I buy that?
I'd get a shot or that, yeah. So
All right.
now we're all done. Let's get out of here. We'll go fight the first
How
boss.
do you...
Press
how do
B.
you... Oh, B.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. He sounds like a demon.
Oh yeah, the music is awesome, man.
Okay, here we go. I'm
Like
excited.
the crappiest looking thing is this little hourglass thing that jumps.
So now, does that last the rest of the game?
Yeah.
It does?
Yep. So you just have to equip
Sweet.
it. So that would be charm.
Dang, there's a ton of crap.
And then just press
Is that
B.
it?
Yeah, just press B.
Sounds good. Let's go.
And
Where are
we'll
we
fight.
going?
These are the first bosses right here. So let's just do regular. Simple's like way easy.
Okay.
You don't get any points or anything.
Alrighty. Here we go. Boss number 1. Whoa! He's
Okay,
a potato!
yeah, just shoot him. And then if he starts shooting things that like jump, you got hit.
Dude, this is... Oh, dude, I'm red!
Yeah, you're red.
I didn't know that.
Just shoot him as much as you can. Oh, I just got hit.
Frick, I died. Get me! Nice.
Dude, I think you're gonna take some getting used to, because...
Dude, I can't jump and push X at the same time.
You jump and then press X while you're in the air.
I'm just holding down X and
So look, we
pushing...
kill them. So now we have to kill a carrot, I believe?
Another
Or an
one's gonna
onion,
come?
an onion. It's the
Whoa,
easy,
it's right
easy.
here.
He just drops teardrops. Just don't get hit by the teardrops when they fall.
Dude, this is hard.
Just keep shooting him. He dies pretty quick.
And what happens if I do, like, my big attack on him?
Oh yeah, you can do that. So now the carrot's gonna come, dude. Carrot's actually pretty hard. You have to shoot up. And then hit the carrots when they come too.
Oh!
Oh,
Oh, Kenan! Oh, no!
Ah, no!
So, am I gonna come back?
Nope, you're dead.
I'm gone?
Yeah, because you suck.
Dude, you're a dick. I can't come back?
No, I mean, unless I die.
Dang. Well, this game sucks. I agree with IGN. It's too hard.
This game's too hard. So now I am just trying to kill him alone because Morgan sucks.
Shut up! Come on, get him! He's like massaging his head. He's like, oh, that feels good. I like it. I like it a lot.
Why so many carrots? I don't have any. I don't have big move. Oh, freak!
Dude, you died!
Damn it! Look how close I was.
Oh! You were right at the end!
Okay.
Okay, I won't die this
Let's not
time.
get hurt at the beginning. That's the key. If you get hurt at the beginning, you're screwed. Okay, is this game pretty difficult though?
I'm like stressed. I'm so stressed. Can you only do your big shot every now and then?
Yeah, you have to get. Yeah, it's only every.
Oh!
Oh, that was way fast.
Yeah, that's how I died the first time. He's gone?
Okay, I'm gonna go on this side
Okay.
so I can shoot the. Just don't touch him; he hurts you.
Okay. That's so sad.
Oh, did we both get hit?
No, I didn't get hit. Dude, you suck. I'm guessing the red ones like do extra
You can
damage.
parry them.
The red ones you can parry?
Yeah, but they're hard to parry.
Well, I'm not even gonna try. Okay, bro. How do you lock in place?
RB. Just shoot the carrots as they come. And watch out for it. Watch out for that attack.
It was on you.
That's on you.
You can just... So, I can like dash whenever I want?
Yeah, you can dash whenever.
It's not something that has to charge?
I'll look out. No, it doesn't have to charge. You can dash whenever.
You almost dashed into it.
Okay, we're gonna kill this
I can't
dude.
tell
You're
if
not
I'm
hitting him.
him.
We're not.
Okay.
The bullet will stop or whatever we shoot. That was pretty good.
Dude, we're wrecking him!
Stupid carrot, just die!
Yeah!
Freaking
We got him! Dude, dang!
Piece of shit, carrot.
Taking names!
Go back into the ground.
Kicking
you came
bosses.
from. Okay, what do we get? We probably got a B or an A for badass. Just kidding.
Skill level 2-star, baby.
B minus.
Dang.
Dude, I don't know how you get an A on
We
that.
did some good probably not getting hit and doing it fast. That first guy was freaking hard.
The carrot?
No, the
potato.
The potato. He just shot us really, really fast.
Okay. No,
So what happens if you go up?
That's the blue pack. You can't go up. There's nowhere to go. This guy just talks about how there's buried treasure. And if he's like, if someone happens to find out, I don't care.
Okay.
I have a lot.
I'd like to know what his Chachinga voice sounds like.
Well, we can't talk to him.
You can do the voice.
Oh.
I don't know anything about this game.
Okay, well, talk to him again. This part, dude, this part's real hard. Just, yeah, we'll figure it out. Shoot those things if they come.
So is it like water that we're shooting, or what is it?
I don't know. It looks like water, but
Whoa, 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 whoa. I
you
got
have to
hit.
duck. I would just say ducked and then jump when there's ones that come. I think he goes one more time.
Can't get that one. Dude, this is stressful.
Isn't it fun?
Yeah, oh my gosh, my arm itches.
Itch it! Itch it!
I can't.
You jump, yeah, do that. Oh! No, you have to quit. What's it called when you do the quick move over him? And then stay right here. No, don't go.
Oh, shit, get me!
I can't, there's too
Damn
much
it!
wind.
Keenan!
Why'd you go all the way up?
My arm
I said
itches!
stay here!
My arm itches!
Look, if you stay right here, you don't get hit.
Okay, well now I know. Save me!
I can't. You're freaking dead. I'm not gonna beat this without you. It's too hard.
What's he gonna do? What are they doing? Oh, that's what you do.
Yeah.
You didn't tell me that.
What dash? It's dash. You have to dash over it, and then this you have to parry.
What the frick? Dude, this game's so stressful.
You can only hurt him.
Are you
when
hurting him?
You can only hurt him when he's in that mode when he's making stuff come out of him. It's super hard.
So what's the bowl? Oh, snap. Oh, snap. He's like, take
It's
my
not
money.
as fun when you're not
Take
here.
my money.
He's like, take that coin. Put it in your butt.
You killed him? You
That's
son of a
right,
bitch.
man.
Oh, you're a dick.
Dude, that was the fastest I've ever beat that boss.
It's gonna give us an F.
I think it's just because I've done it before.
Oh my gosh. Oh, this is stressful.
Dude, once you get used to it though, it's not that bad. Should we just do 15-minute ones?
Well, there's the first two bosses.
Now everyone knows that Morgan needs to improve.
Hey, I've never played this before. You've probably clocked like 100 hours on this
No,
crap.
I've played this for like maybe 3 hours.
All right, we love you. That's like technically 100 hours. Okay, we love you.
3 times
Subscribe.
5 is 100 hours.
Subscribe.